butter and sugar, and we're gonna beat it to light and fluffy. Don't forget to add some salt. Remember, scrape down our side and our bottom. Okay, it's light and fluffy now. Add in our egg. We're going to add in our flavors. Our vanilla and butternut is in. Add in our baking powder. And now add our flour all in at once. Remember, scrape down the side where the butter is and the bottom. And don't over mix. Anytime you do cookie, and once you add flour, don't over mix. And it is ready to be rolled out and do our cookie stamp. Let's roll this dough out. You want to roll it to a 1/4 inch thick. I always love to roll my dough between wax paper because it won't stick. See? And you don't have to apply too much flour. But you want a little flour because the dough is still pretty. If you let it sit before you start rolling, then the dough will dry out a little bit and you don't have to use that much flour. Forget to put some flour here as well. cocoa. If you don't have a biscuit cutter, this is what you can do. Use your cup. Make sure you put in flour. And then use your stamp. And put a stamp on. Make sure you put some flour on here. And make sure there's no excess flour sticking to it. And press lightly. And look at that. Now all I gotta do is bake. This is stuffed cookie that I've been showing you guys how to make. This is Oreo stuff over here, and over here is peanut butter stuff. And these are stamped cookie. And these are banana pudding stuffed cookie. We have here is coconut cupcake. Pecan pie bark. Over here is strawberry shortcake.